Good evening to the August gathering.
ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹೋದರ ಸಹೋದರಿಯರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ.
मेरे सुंदर कर्नाटक को शुभ संध्या.
As the evening sky gently darkens, the stage is set for an exciting, colorful and rhythmic extravaganza to unfold, making this evening truly unforgettable. Your presence today is not just an honor, it's a blessing that adds immeasurable warmth and joy to our celebration.
Francis Haba, the annual mega event, is more than just a celebration. It's a platform where creativity meets passion, where tradition blends with innovation, and where the essence of St. Francis High School comes alive. Welcome to an evening of celebration where we invite you to cheer on the Franciscans as they entertain, inspire, and captivate you with their performances and presentations. Together, we celebrate the milestones of our glorious past while embracing the boundless possibilities of the future. Step into a spectacular celebration of brilliance, a symphony of talents, and a showcase of unparalleled creativity. Welcome and thank you for being a part of this remarkable journey.
This evening, we come together not merely as students, educators, and parents, but as a united community, deeply connected by the shared values of love, unity, and knowledge.
Together, let's celebrate the legacy, the vision, and the boundless energy that define Francis Haba. Therefore, we welcome you to this extraordinary celebration, Francis Haba, titled
The Phoenix.
A Phenomenal Journey. Before the magic begins, we welcome our chief guest.
Major General Vinod Tom Matthew, the General Officer Commanding of Karnataka and Kerala sub-area. He has proudly served in the Indian Army for 35 years, dedicating his life to the nation. He has commanded the 11th Madras Regiment in a counter-insurgency operation in Jammu and Kashmir.
Major General was awarded the Ati Vishis Seva Medal, Youth Seva Medal, Chief of the Army Staff and General Officer Commanding in Chief Commendation Cards in the Indian Army. He was on UN mission in Democratic Republic of Congo as the military observer and the Chief Operational Officer in Sudan. He is also an alumnus of Geneva Center for Security Policy in Switzerland. The General Officer has attained MPhil in Defense and Management from Indore and MPhil in Defense Strategic Studies from Madras University. Major General Vinod Tom Matthew played a pivotal role during the Wayanad landslide devastation last year, serving as the overall commander of the operation. He led the coordination between the state and central authorities, ensuring seamless mobilization of resources, personnel, and materials for the rescue operations.
Adding to this, the theme of Francis Haba is connected to the Wayanad landslide, a chapter deeply connected to our chief guest who played a key role in the rescue operations. This connection becomes even more meaningful as the chief guest is the close relative to the late brother Sabas, a cherished Franciscan brother. Sir, we thank you and welcome you to the Francis Haba as our chief guest. With bliss and reverence, we request Brother Sanil Tarail and Brother Balaswamy to present our token of our love and appreciation to the chief guest.
welcome a truly inspiring leader, Brother Xavier Alexander, to preside over this grand event, Francis Hubba. Brother Xavier Alexander is the Provincial of St. Francis Xavier Province, Bangalore, and President and Chairman of St. Francis Group of Institutions.
Brother Xavier has served the congregation of the Franciscan Missionary Brothers with distinction, holding key roles such as Secretary General, Formator, and Provincial. His unwavering dedication, visionary leadership, and extraordinary administrative acumen have been pivotal in shaping the growth of St. Francis Group of Institutions.
Brother Xavier is a distinguished scholar holding degrees in theology, anthropology, philosophy, educational psychology, and humanities. His academic breadth reflects a deep commitment to understanding the complexities of human thought, behavior, and spirituality. His ability to combine profound intellectual depth with practical wisdom makes him a guiding light and an enduring source of inspiration for all who have the privilege of learning from him.
It's an honor and privilege for us to have him presiding over the event as the Provincial, President, and Chairman of St. Francis Institutions. We thank you and welcome you, dear brother, to the annual day of our school.
With this and reverence, we request Brother Sanil Tarail and Brother Balaswamy to present a token of love and appreciation to our dear brother.